you an idea about factors of numbers, right? So really, what are factors? Factors and multiples. Firstly I will teach you that what are multiples. After that, about factors. Just to think of the table of multiples. You've been taught in the past, since past. Just think of what are the multiples of 2. Multiples of 2, you could get multiples of 2. 2 times 1 2, 2 times 2 4, 2 times 3 6, 2 times 4 8, 2 times 5 10, and so on. Multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. What are the multiples of 2? Yes, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. These are the multiples of 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So don't write all these things. So 2 times 3 is 6. So we are getting the multiples of 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are the multiples of 2. Are we able to get the multiples of 3? Yeah, we are able. So multiples of 3. What are the multiples of 3? It's able to use the same way. 3 times 1 3, 3 times 2 6, 3 times 3 9, and so on. So multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, and so on. Next one, multiples of 4. What are the multiples of 4? Yes, think of it. 4 times 1 4, 4 times 2 8, 4 times 6 12, 4 times 4 16, 4 times 5 20, and so on. You are able to write more multiples of 4 as well. You could get the multiples of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's get the multiples of 8. Think of the multiples of 8. You could pause the video and you could tell the answer, right? You could think of the answers that we are going to get right now. Multiples of 8, yes. 8, 16, 24, 8 times 1 8, 8 times 2 16, 8 times 2 24, 8 times 4 32, 8 times 5 40, 6 48, and so on. Those are the multiples of 8. So you could get an idea about the multiples of given digits. Our next point is, factors and multiples. Now I am going to teach you factors. Really, what are factors of numbers? Let's get the factors of factors, right? Let's get the factors of 2. Factors of 2, yes. What are the factors of 2? You are able to get the factors of 2. Factors of 2 can be taken considering the multiples of 2. 1 into 2 is 2. 1 into 2 is 2, right? On the other hand, you could write that 2 times 1. What is 2 times 1? 2 times 1 also 2. So 1 into 2 is 2, and also 2 times 1 equals to 2. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Now we could get the factors of 2 that, factors of 2. Factors of 2 can be taken, that. Then here is a 1 is a factor of 2. 1 is a factor of 2. The reason when you multiply using the digit 1 by then 1 times 2 is 2. So 1 is a factor. Then 2 times 1 is 2. 2 also can be taken as a factor of 2. Okay. So these are the factors of 2, which means then 1 2 1 2, 1 2 1 2, same. So the factors, for the digit 2 has got 2 factors, right? So let's take the factors of 6. Let's get the factors of 6. Think of the ways that can be considered, that when you consider these multiples, these products, you should have the ability of getting 6 here. Here, first of all, my suggestion is, firstly, you need to think of the digit 1. You know that when you take 1, then 1 into 6 equals to 6. Another method is found in this book, method of division, which means then you could divide 6 by 1, then it's able to get this 6. Anyway, then 1 into 6 is 6. Are we able to get the digit 6 when you multiply by 2? Yes, 2 times 3 is 6. Are we able to get, we are getting the factors of 6, don't want to write this 6. Are we able to get 3? Yeah, 3 times 2 is 6. Again, 4 we can't take, 5 also it's unable to take, but we could get here 6. Then 6 times 1 is 6. So the factors of 6, we could get as 1, 2, 3, 6. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 6. Factors of 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. There are 4 factors for 6. I have not seen that this way of getting the factors of a given number, given in your textbook, right? I suggest you to follow this way. You need to follow this order. Firstly you need to think of 1. After that 2, 3, 4 and so on. And also you are able to get here is the one way of getting the factors of 6. The other method which is given in your textbook is, you could use the method of division. Using the method of division, it's able to use the method of division to be taken the factors of 6 here. Here, method of division, you are able to divide using, 1, you are able to, you could divide 6 by 1, then, 6 upon 1 is 6. Again, you divide this one, 6 by 2, 2 upon 6 is, 6 upon 2 is 3. Right? So, now you could get the factors of 6. Right? You could see the factors then. 1 here, 6 here, 6 here. Right? 1, 6. After that 2, then here 2. Here 3, here 3. So, another way of getting the factors. But anyway, according to the given in the paper, test paper, you need to find the factors of 6. But I think I suggest you knowing this way of getting the factors of a given number is will be helpful for you. Easily you could get the factors of a given number using this way. Okay, so now we understood the way of getting the factors of a given number. So try to do the sums found in your textbook. Okay, I will be doing the other extent of this other segment of this lesson in the near future. Thanks a lot.